For takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, JetBlue 900.
Zero 13,000, check.
Emirates 5 Victor Super, wind 340 at 9er, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 31 left, Emirates 5 Victor Super.
Alaska 23, Yankee transition and contact New York departure.
Transition, New York departure, last 23.
JetBlue 1173, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and away, caution wake turbulence.
Left line up away, JetBlue 1173.
Brickyard 4552, left on Whiskey, taxi right on Alpha, please. Right turn on Alpha today to your ramp, monitor ground point 9er. Emirates 5 Victor Super, Yankee transition and contact New York departure.
Transition New York departure target, Emirates 5 Victor Super.
Five 56, 42, Kennedy Tower, caution wake terrace, runway 30 left, line of away.
On the way, Brickyard 5642.
Heavy right on top of Alpha Series.
Good.
Right turn top Charlie there.
16, no right, Papa Charlie.
741. Parade 00, extra Mike, long landing approved at your discretion.
Long landing, thank you, 800 extra Mike. Morning pressure, flight 3546, ILS 31 right.
Your flight 3546, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
Alright, clear to land for flight 3546.
Flight 48, Flight 4872, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land, thank you, flight
552, is your gate available, do you know? 552, right, turn right on Alpha and let me know. JetBlue 741, runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff 31 left, JetBlue 741.
4976, Kennedy Tower, runway 30 left, line of way, top 25 mile final.
1 left away, there, 4976.
1120, contact New York departure today.
JetBlue 1120, good day.
Turn right, Bravo. Left uniform. Right Alpha. Line at the ground. Okay.
Tower number 5316, ILS 31 right.
316 15, Kenny Tower, caution on tail long heavy 747, just on the shore, final runway 31 right, clear to land.
Runway, clear to land, Denver 5360.
So 2 heavy, Kenny Tower, 31 right, clear to land.
1 right, and we're also able for visual 31 left.
Ready. 31 left, hold advise when ready, 767 heavy. Tower Delta 767 head, heavy ready to go, 31 left. 767 heavy, roger, caution, wait, 31 left, line of weight. Line of weight, Delta 767 heavy. Air India 116 heavy, contact near departure 1359.
Departure 1359, Air India 1160.
767 heavy, wind 3507, runway 31 left, clear takeoff. Oakland Air 249 heavy, 8 miles on final runway 31 right. 49 heavy, can't see, runway 31 right, clear to land, caution, wait, Jones, heavy Airbus short final. And runway 31 right, Oakland Air 249 heavy. T42 exit here, taxi right, Papa, Bravo, 2 ramp, monitor point 9, good day. Turn here, Papa Bravo, to the ramp, and we'll monitor point 9, thank you. .939, wind 02011, runway 31 left, flip takeoff. Flip takeoff, trip in 939. 50, CK, Tad, 31 left, line of weight. Runway 31 left, line of weight, and number 58. Heavy contact New York departure, good day. Giant 8608, good day. Number 4650, contact New York departure, have a good day. Out to departure 4650, we'll see you, man. Number 5370, runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff. For takeoff, runway 31 left, Denver 5370. JetBlue 149, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait. Wind left, line up and wait, JetBlue 149. Left whiskey, left alpha. Taxi ramp, monitor point 9, have a good day. Alpha monitor. Hawaii 51 here. All 110 heavy, continue straight ahead. Turn left on. Wind 0108, runway 31 left, let's take off.
Clear takeoff, Alaska 227.
JetBlue 117, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line of wait.
31 left for JetBlue 117.
63, contact departure, have a good day.
JetBlue 163, Billy.
Heavy Airbus 350, short final 13506, turn right 3 right, clear line.
Line, here.
County Tower, caution wing 0. 31 left, line of wait.
31 left, open 1514.
DL 101 heavy, left whiskey, left Bravo.
Whiskey, left Bravo, India 101 heavy.
Contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, Saudia, 62.
Runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1641.
Blue 1123, contact New York departure, good day.
23, thank you, good morning.
4650, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and place.
Line up away, Denver 4650. Yard 4693, left on Delta, right turn Bravo, remain this frequency.
Delta, right Bravo,
Yard 4693, make it a right on Alpha, right turn on to Alpha, please, remain this frequency.
Go right on Alpha, stay with you for
10 5 Romeo Heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure.
Sure, Qatar, 5 Romeo, Yankee transition.
cut 5720 hours, 309.
5720 Kennedy Tower, cross point turbines, in trail of a heavy Boeing 777, runway 31 right, clear to land.
31 right, clear to land, cut 5720.
Wind 0109, or runway 31 left, close takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, American 255.
That's 7K, 31 left, line of weight, traffic's on an 8 mile final.
Left line of weight, or 5,000.
5018, contact departure, good day.
Robertson departure at number 5018, good day. Yard 4693, when you get to Alpha 1, just give way to that American 777. 101 heavy, left Victor, left uniform, right Alpha. Sir, left uniform, right Alpha, American 101. 101 heavy, monitor ground point on it to your ramp. 4693, monitor ground 121.9 to your ramp. X1152 heavy, Ranger transition, contact New York departure. Switch on ABX 152. 121, that's Canada,
5014, wind 3505, runway 31 left, close takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Delta 1514.
167 heavy, can't say 31 left, line of weight.
So wait, 31 left, American 167 heavy. Kennedy Tower, you're following heavy Boeing 777, 6.5 miles ahead, caution like turbulence, wind 350 at 7, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
1 right, clear to land, copy that, Air 52.
Asiana 221 heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure.
That's Asiana 221.
Monitor ground point on her. 8528 Ranger transition, contact New York departure.
JetBlue 8528.
Delta 491, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait, caution like turbulence.
Wait 31 left, Delta 491. .9er.
Bravo, Delta Alpha 119 over to Condor.
Blue 2220 Kennedy Tower, runway 31 right, cleared to land. American 2646, contact New York, departure today.
Departure right there, 2646. Following a heavy Boeing 777 on short final, caution wake turbulence. There'll be one departure between you and that traffic. Wind 340 at 9er, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
מה שאני זוכר שהיה טייס מצרי שהחליט להתאבד עם המטוס, טייס מצרי.
Rock 203 Juliet Heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure. With New York departure, I'm off to Juliet Boeing.
Heavy, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
Runway 31 left, giant 8608 Heavy. To 1869, Yankee transition, contact New York departure.
Hey, Yankee transition, JetBlue 1869.
830 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, following regional jet, wind 340 at 8, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
31 right, coming to 7, thanks for
Endeavor 5223, left whiskey, taxi left Alpha to your ramp and monitor ground point on it. Left Alpha. Rock 203 Juliet Heavy, wind 340 at 9er, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Take off runway 31 left, so I'm off 203 Juliet Heavy.
Blue 1328 Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait, caution wake turbulence.
31 left, line up and wait, JetBlue 1328.
Air 250 Heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure.
Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
31 left, JetBlue 279. 102 Heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure.
Transition, New York departure, Uzbek 102. 41 Heavy, visual 31 left.
Wind 360 at 8, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, we'll caution landing to the floor, 26 times.
Jet 5598, wind 010 at 8, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Left, clear for takeoff, right carrier 5598.
21348 Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wing.
One left, line up.
Everything left, whiskey, right, Bravo.
Right in front.
Camera 105, and let's our destination.
5 Heavy, can you transfer and right for the land?
Your right camera.
Oh, Heavy, turn left uniform, right Alpha, monitor ground for land today.
And 4000, Korean Generator Super. Thank you, departure Korean Generator Super. 102 Heavy. Okay, just closer to the hotel, let me know. Korean 102 Heavy. So we feel on left, line up 10, wait traffic on a 6 mile flight, we'll be ready to go. Line up and wait, triple 415, we'll be ready. 1840, we want to flight Friday arrival, 0 left, to land. 31 left, copy, Delta, thank you. Delta Heavy, right turn, Mike Charlie, right on Papa, hold for the Bravo. Mike Charlie, right Papa, hold for Bravo, it's 5321 Heavy, Kennedy Tower. Line up and wait on C5321 Heavy. Left, clear for takeoff, Dynasty 5321 Heavy. Contact New York departure. Check the New York departure for 109 Heavy.
Brickyard 4670, wind 340 at 6, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Brickyard 4670.
Asiana 221 heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left on up and wing.
Wait, runway 31 left, Asiana 221.
The 2342, Ranger transition, contact New York departure.
Departure Delta 2342, good day.
575, if you're not ready, by the time you get to Juliet.
Heavy Kennedy Tower on the 3 left on the traffic 6 miles per hour, unfortunately, Skyline.
Good, 31 left, 102.
Contact gate closing away.
59 Asiana 58.
Airport 2 Heavy, contact needs departure guy.
Departure Skyline, departure 02. Line up and right there, 51 V1. And no problem, you just let us know when you need us to descend. 08, turn left heading 120. Heading 1.
Blue 1173, wind 330 at 9er, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, we're clear for takeoff. JetBlue 1173.
JetBlue 9005, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, on up the wing.
Runway 31 left, JetBlue 9005.